guys, Parker Grissom with another investor spotlight with Isaac here. So we just filmed another one, but we probably drove a couple miles down the road to an active current project.
Correct.
And so this one's going to be a little bit unique. So some of the rooms in here, he's in mid rehab, and what's cool here is that like there's a lot going on, but you're still only like 3 weeks out. So
Correct.
like the reason why it's only 3 weeks out, it may not look like it, but I mean, it's 5:30, it's dark out here, and Isaac's crews are still getting after it.
Exactly.
So excited to walk you around here. Bear with us on the lighting. They're switching out some stuff in this room, but like some room has lighting. But Isaac,
This is as real as it gets.
this is real as it gets, man. And so let's go this way a little bit. You were talking earlier, and we're gonna see it here in a minute, that you've done a lot of reconfiguration
Absolutely.
in this house. So this is kind of the kitchen, but in your property management arm, you got to interview the tenant prior with the old management company, and they were like, man, this needed to be here. And so they were giving you recommendations on how it would be a better rental in the future.
Correct.
So like what were some of those recommendations?
Absolutely. So if you're hearing it from the market, it doesn't get any more accurate than that from the actual tenants that are already here.
Yeah.
So big things that feedback that we got was bedroom size. That's big. Closet space. They also said the washroom configuration. Some houses are weird. Like this one that had like a washer here
In the kitchen.
in the kitchen.
Mhm.
No
No
one
way.
wants that.
No good.
So we had to make a designated area. And since we're already doing the plumbing, since we're already adding modifications to the house, it just makes sense to target all those things. So
Yeah.
another thing was that we noticed that houses that only have one bath usually get to sit longer. So for us is as soon as we're done with rehab, we want to get a tenant in place.
Yeah.
And so for us is a vacant house is a dangerous house. So we want someone there as soon as possible. And I think making these changes, you're already spending the money. You just have to think a little bit of how you want to design it so it's the best investment.
Exactly. And a vacant house is not an income house. So
Exactly.
awesome, man. So let's walk that way. So this is the kitchen.
It's kitchen.
So this is ultimately 3-bed, 2-bath, right?
Correct.
But it originally was a 3-1.
It was a 3-1.
And so
We did a couple changes. So like here, this is one of the existing bedrooms. So this one stayed.
this one stayed, but here's what's interesting. So
This is the existing bathroom.
yeah.
And right now we're gonna remodel it. We ripped out the tub. We did the plumbing here.
Yeah.
And usually wherever their plumbing or the main line is where we want to tie in the new bathroom.
Cheaper.
Cheaper.
And just easier.
Correct. So then moving into it, this used to be the bedroom. And since it was the bedroom, we decided large size bedroom, we decided to make it into another full bath because that's important. No one likes half baths.
Yeah. Especially with kids. Like they need a tub.
They need a tub.
Yeah.
And a lot of our tenants have kids. So we know that even though showers are nice for adults, they're nice, but I think tubs are a way to go and they're pretty easy to be consistent. And we also added
as we're looking, like as you look at this used to be a bedroom. He tied in another bathroom here, and then if you remember, he moved all the way the washer I hookup that was in the kitchen on the opposite end of the house to here in its own special place, out of the way, even more space. So that's huge, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
So I feel that if you make it comfortable for the tenant, they get to stay longer. So you make those things, you do them ahead of time.
Yeah. That's awesome, Isaac. Cool. And I love to see workers working, man. It's so awesome. And this is what a real rehab looks like. And what's cool too is like, again, you're probably 3 weeks out. There's a lot of stuff going on here.
It seems scary,
but it's not. Like you have done 40 of these. You have built a team. You have good crews here, and so you got a machine running.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
that's what it is.
Team building. So tell us about what's kind of going on here and what we're about to kind of walk into back
Absolutely. So here, this used to be the existing layout. This used to be a bedroom, and there was an addition added back here. So right now we're just treating it as a hallway. There's some dead space here, so this is now a closet space for the new bedroom that's created. So if you walk over here, and right here, big important thing was big closets.
Yeah.
People want to store stuff.
Yeah.
So that's why we focus on adding a bigger closet wherever possible. Is enough space to add a bed and the furniture that you need. But what we like to do is see where we could add additional square footage.
Yeah.
That's a big part for us.
Yeah.
So for us is, since we're already here, it makes sense to just add all this space. So
yeah,
it came out really awesome.
Yeah.
The team is competent to do these scary things.
Yeah.
You know, and since we're already doing the roof, it just makes sense to frame it. You know, make this, because we lost a bedroom in the front, and now we're added the bedroom here, adding square footage, and all this is brand new electrical. You get new ducts going inside,
Yeah.
so a lot of.
And so, kind of to follow back, like on, if you watched Isaac's video, I would encourage you, the last video, go back and watch it. He talked about how you do the same layout, same materials, and you mentioned this in the last video. It's like you're already doing the CapEx roof. Well, there's this addition here that like you can build onto.
Correct.
Because you're already doing the roof. Why don't you just go ahead and close it, make additional square footage, boost your ARV up? That's huge, man.
Right.
So as we kind of wrap this video up, let's talk about numbers. Like, what did you purchase this for? Rehabbing it, and then what do you plan to ARV for? Again, because this is a refinance.
Yeah.
You do the BRRRR method. So yeah,
Correct.
what you got, dude?
Absolutely. So right now, purchase this house for 87. We the rehab that we have in budget is 60 grand.
Yeah.
Right. And then right now, the ARV that we got with the square footage, we should be over 200.
Over 200.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. So 87, 60.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So you're just kind of under 150 there.
Yep.
And for those of you that know, like, you can get an 80% loan to value, 70% loan. If it's over 200, you got a minimum, they'll give you 160. So you're about to pull all your money back out.
Yeah.
You'll have a rental house with no capital in it, rock and roll.
Because you tackled it. It's in a great area, appreciation, great school system here. So it's just win-win-win.
Awesome, man. Well, thank you so much for tagging along, and I'm sure we'll be coming back to visit you down the road, but appreciate it, Isaac.
Thank you.
Be good.